If you're part of the service desk, your goal is to identify and resolve problems proactively before users complain. Now, Steel Central Eternity makes it even easier for you to do just that. With a tight integration to ServiceNow that provides proactive notification when device health problems impact digital experience, and a closed-loop troubleshooting workflow that enables you to quickly isolate and resolve end-user issues. Here's how it works. Steel Central Eternity has always identified application, system, or hardware problems. Eternity tracks device health problems like application crashes, update failures, memory or disk trouble, hard drive failures, battery issues, and blue screens of death. It provides a variety of other information that enables IT to categorize and investigate these problems. With the latest release, Eternity proactively triggers a service desk alert when the same application, hardware, or system health event occurs within a specified period of time. In addition to sending notification via email, you can configure Eternity Service Desk alerts to generate incidents automatically in ServiceNow. The ServiceNow incident table shows the Eternity health incidents listed in chronological order, with the most recent incidents on top. The ServiceNow incident is populated with all of the detailed Eternity information on device parameters and user profile, so your service desk staff have all of the information they need to understand the issue. In order to identify and resolve the issue, the service desk technician can drill down into the details of the end user's device. Steel Central Eternity provides a wealth of device health and performance data, but requires no actual interaction with the user's device. Additionally, since this data is persisted, service desk staff can troubleshoot both current and past problems. In this case, you can see the Outlook crash is associated with these two DLLs. A quick search for Outlook crash and the DLL name will typically get you to the right article in the Microsoft knowledge base. Armed with this information, desktop services can resolve this problem to get the user back to operating at full speed. Configure Eternity's notification rules so that your service desk team gets information at the right frequency and with the right business impact to identify and resolve problems quickly, reduce mean time to repair, and deliver an excellent digital experience. With Steel Central Digital Experience Management, you get integrated visibility from the end user's device to the application backend down to the line of code. With Steel Central, you can monitor the digital experience of your customers, workforce, partners, and suppliers. Steel Central provides the analytics that IT and the business need to ensure agility and efficiency for your digital business. For more information, visit riverbed.com/try-eternity. Stay tuned, and the next video in the series will automatically start playing.